Why this environmental test equipment factory dare to challenge aspect and install? I'm Sasa. Let's inside a Chinese automation factory to see how it is achieved. Here is the sheet metal workshop. The first step of the equipment production is to assemble its overall sheet metal structure. Cut edges and punch holes by laser cutting machine, automatic loading and unloading, one-button calibration, automatic edge finding. Using high-precision linear gauge, control the linear beam according to the predetermined graphics for cutting operation. Then, use the top mode of the bending machine to apply downward pressure and automatically bend to the required angle. Once welded with the heat and energy of the arc, a basic sheet metal structure can be assembled with fasteners. But the real core is external circuit structure. Come with me, let's see how it is assembled. Burn the copper pipe with nitrogen. Clean the copper pipe system in the test chamber and ensure that there is no leakage. Adopting different from traditional electronic expansion wire technology, correctly connecting the control signal, sensor, alarm, and other circuits. Long-term operation for more than 1 year without stopping. Place a temperature distribution testing instrument in the test chamber to test the uniformity of the internal temperature, energy saving, and the reliability of heating and cooling. Test no problem. A high and low temperature environmental test chamber is made. For the tensile testing machine, it's merely assembled the structure of mechanical parts. After assembling key components, such as sensors, linear modules, and control systems, place precision parts such as semiconductor chips. Push and pull the gold wire solder joints inside by applying force. The software calculates its performance, so as to judge whether the force value and accuracy of the equipment are up to standard. Customized environmental test equipment also has great market demand. Like this is for elevator lobe vertical lift test. By adding weights, the motor drives the train and the rotating shaft to rotate the transmission, simulates the real load operating environmental of the elevator, and continuously tests, so as to obtain the safety value of the wire lobe operation and ensure the safety of human life. Well, that's the end of today's video. I'm Sasa. Want to know about Automation Factory? Subscribe to keep following us. See you next time!